Hey, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to easily log out of your Twitter or X account. Let's get started. Alright. First things first. Open Twitter or X account on your mobile device and head to the home page. Once you're there, locate your profile picture in the top left corner. Give it a tap, and a side menu will pop up. Now, scroll down a bit and expand the Settings and Support option. Give it a tap, and then click on the Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll find the Your Account option at the very top. Click on it. When you click on it, a new window will appear. Now, click on the account information at the top. Now, here's the crucial part. At the bottom of the page, you'll spot the magic button, the Logout button. Give it a tap. A confirmation message will appear. Click on the Logout to confirm it. That's it. You've successfully logged out of your Twitter or X account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.